Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to know about how to integrate navbars in your HTML form using Bootstrap 4. It's a very simple and handling navbars in your HTML form. I'm assuring that, but you should know how to take a copy of a code of navbars and which is already ready-madely built for you to use. See here, adding navbars with Bootstrap's powerful responsive navigation header, the navbar, including support for branding, navigation, and more, including support for our collapse plugins. Using Bootstrap 4 plugin like a default plugins and also add your custom CSS styles to make more interactive of your navbars and menu items and all. Not only taking the code of this information of your bootstrap code, yes, you can also make it as a more beautification of your HTML form as well as these plugins. Using this navbar menu item will help you to website user can easily navigate throughout the website pages and web project and web application as well. How it is. See, this is the code I have taken from this. Go to getbootstrap.com and click here for documentation. Here the documentation, you find out like some of components. Yes, here you come very simple, a super exciting example I'll give you. Now click here navbar. That's it. Almost you are reached. Now see here, drag it down and find out which you comfortable and source. This is the model it is showing. For this, if you want exactly, you take a copy of this code. And scroll down. If you want like a branding, only the header title if you want, you take this one. And if you want to, and in advancedly, if you want to present like your own logo, you take simply this code and add your top of your navbar. Just simply see, if you want to write up something, you just take a copy of this and you can add it. And the nav, only the nav like this. Scroll down. Huge, like a huge ready-made functionalities of the code is already available here. What you want to do is just simply find out where which navbar will suits you. Navbar is will comes like in a header how it is displaying here. That is the way it will comes. Like see here, the hello world it is here, the bootstrap navbar and the menu items and the menu top link button if you want to take button you want to take and a drop down also it is there and also adding disable the link will not be function. Yes, some of the restricted pages you may choose like a disable option. If the user is able to logged in, then only you can give an invisible for this form like a button for click. All right, and search and advanced also it is giving very simply, super easy. Now how we can grab it and integrate to our site. Now, yeah, this is the code I have already done with for you to just removing. This is the starter template of like our bootstrap. Very simple. These are the things and the links it is already. And within the body is nothing here. So what I'm doing here, go to bootstrap site and find one of the thing. Yeah, you find here which suits your navbar. All right. I hope I have taken some navbar from around like a multi options are available for this only. Just take a copy of this code. Very simple copy of this code and go back to your HTML form. Just take a space after body and paste here. Am I done any line of a single code? No. See this navbar here. That's it. Save this and reload of your page. This is the navbar.html. Just refresh. That's it. It is came here. If you want to see this view page source, you will see all the code what you have done here. That's it. And if you want to make it as in a custom, like a navbar it is here. And if you want to make it as in a like branding, just simply rename that navbar to your company name. Harisystems. Yes, refresh. Very simple. Is it here? And if you want to change the links, and if you want to provide a link item like using the hashtag, you can just remove it and index.html or index.php. What is the form you are going to be replacing with this hashtag? You can place for here. That's it. Everything will be done. If you want to make more custom CSS, you can write your own CSS as well to make it as in a unique page of your web form as well as website. That is a super easy to have a navbar. I hope a very simple and how to grab it and integrate your site with this navbar, which is a very much pretty important for most of the websites as well as the web applications. I hope you are more familiar. Go through the different type of navbars are here, which will suit your development and environment, and which will go like a color schemes are also here ready-madely. Which color it will suits you, go with it. Try to practice more and more. Thank you for watching this lecture. Thank you.